Is it working?
Yes.
So, all right, Glenn Frakes, and I'm a 32-year resident here, former teacher in the district. And I came to speak to the board tonight specifically about an incident that I experienced shortly after the recent governing board elections. At a local business, I ran into Mr. Don Skousen, longtime former member of the school board and the town council. And we were just exchanging pleasantries when he said something that surprised me a little. He was just expressing his opinion. He said that he was disappointed that Shane Stapley had won a place on the board. And then he said, and I just want to make sure I get it right, he says, but he's only one vote. They'll be able to handle him. He'll learn that you have to have at least 3 votes to make changes, and he won't get them. Mr. Skousen, I believe, was not expressing a wish, but kind of like a statement of fact that he, at least that he believed, from long-standing experience, that as long as the administration is supported by at least 3 sure votes on the governing board, then in essence, the administration runs the school district and not the board, nor do the voters of the town or the taxpayers or the parents. If the administration is always certain of at least 3 majority votes, they get what they want. I just happened to notice tonight that I was here 8 months ago and I heard a traffic light voted down because of the exorbitant expense of $300,000. That's at Highland High School. I see that even though it was voted down because there's a lot of people here in front of the public, I see that that item 8 months later is up for approval again. That interests me. And I just came, I suppose, to remind you all that sometimes it's hard when you work with the administration to remember that the people you really represent are the 210,000 people who put you in your jobs, and that they're the ones to whom you're accountable, not the administration, and that when you surrender that to deference to the administration, you basically ignore, I won't say betray, but you ignore the confidence that people put in you to represent them and not the administration. And that's what I came to say. Thank you.